Manicuring and pedicuring. Use an upward stroke with an abrasive board at a 45-degree angle at the underside of the free edge to A. Remove traces of oil from the free edge. B. Create a French manicure. C. To remove rough edges and bevel nails. D. Trim the nail. Answer is C. To remove rough edges and bevel nails. To avoid harming blank, do not use too much pressure when pushing back the eponychium. A. Nail implements. B. The lunula. C. The nail matrix. D. The free edge. Answer is C. The nail matrix. If soap is present in a disinfectant. A. The disinfectant may become inactive. B. The surfactant component of the soap will cause the disinfectant to take longer to work. C. A synergistic blend is created where the disinfectant also sterilizes. D. The disinfectant is enhanced and works much better. Answer is A. The disinfectant may become inactive. Before buffing nails with a high shine buffer blank to reduce yellowing in client's nails. A. Brush on blue sanitizer. B. Use 3D white solution. C. The manicurist can use nail bleach. D. Apply nail henna. Answer is C. The manicurist can use nail bleach. Blank to remove cuticle tissue on toenails. A. Use an abrasive board. B. Push back the eponychium. C. Use exfoliating scrub. D. Don't push back the eponychium. Answer is D. Don't push back the eponychium. Which of the following is not included in a pedicure station? A. A mechanical foot massager. B. All of the choices listed. C. A comfortable chair for the client which has armrests. D. A footrest for the client. Answer is A. A mechanical foot massager. What is the reason for soaking the feet prior to the pedicure procedure? A. To relax the client. B. Sanitation. C. To soften the skin. D. To reduce swelling of the feet. Answer is B. Sanitation. Do not shake Polish bottles, instead you should A. Heat the Polish slightly above room temperature. B. Roll the Polish bottle between your palms. C. Add paint thinner for even blending. D. Stir the polish. Answer is B. Roll the Polish bottle between your palms. The blank has corners that are even more rounded than the standard squoval nail shape. A. Square nail. B. Oval nail. C. Flush nail. D. Pointed nail. Answer is B. Oval nail. The basic manicure procedure begins with A. The client's favored hand. B. The hand which is not the client's favored hand. C. Removing massage products from the skin. D. Cleaning under the free edge. Answer is B. The hand which is not the client's favored hand. Toenail clippers are A. Used like a pair of scissors. B. Always rust-proof. C. Consumable materials. D. Designed to cut the toenail in one swift movement. Answer is A. Used like a pair of scissors. If a client has thin, weak nails, the manicurist can apply blank before the base coat application. A. Miracle Grow for nails. B. Nail strengthener. C. Nail bleach. D. Acetone. Answer is B. Nail strengthener. For best results of a nail polish application, first apply base coat, then blank, and end with one application of top coat. A. Apply 2 coats of polish color. B. None of the choices listed. C. Apply 3 coats of polish color. D. Apply 1 coat of polish color. Answer is A. Apply 2 coats of polish color. Before applying polish, it is wise to ask the client to A. Have their car keys out. B. Make their payment. C. Put on any jewelry that had previously been removed. D. All of the choices listed. Answer is A. Have their car keys out. Blank when using a nail brush on the fingers during a basic manicure. A. Beginning at the first knuckle, use downward strokes and brush toward the free edge. B. Scrub with a back and forth motion. C. Use effleurage massage strokes. D. Use disinfectant. Answer is A. Beginning at the first knuckle, use downward strokes and brush toward the free edge. Which of the following should not be performed with the curette? A. Remove extra built-up debris with the cupped part of the curette. B. Dig into the soft living tissues along the nail fold. C. Remove loose debris with a scooping motion. D. Gently push the soft tissue folds away from the lateral nail plate. Answer is B. Dig into the soft living tissues along the nail fold. Clients with blank should not receive hot paraffin baths. A. Deep wrinkles. B. Fibromyalgia. C. Diabetic conditions. D. A seasonal cold. Answer is C. Diabetic conditions. After removing implements from disinfectant solution blank in order to prevent rust. A. Spray them with a rust inhibitor. B. Wipe them dry and then spray with a rust inhibitor. C. Let them air dry. D. Rinse them in water and then wipe them dry with a clean towel. Answer is D. Rinse them in water and then wipe them dry with a clean towel. Which finger should you begin with when filing the nails? A. The little finger. B. The ring finger. C. The index finger. D. The thumb. Answer is A. The little finger. You can avoid splitting the client's nail by shaping it. A. From the center to each edge. B. From the tip to the bottom. C. None of the choices listed. D. From the outer edge toward the center. Answer is A. From the center to each edge. To avoid injuring the hyponychium and flattening the nail when trimming toenails. A. Trim with a series of small cuts. B. Pinch excessive nail growth in one swift movement. C. Trim the nail with several vertical nips and a horizontal slicing motion. D. Apply cuticle softener prior to filing. Answer is A. Trim with a series of small cuts. The blank nail shape makes nails weaker and are more difficult to maintain than other nail shapes. A. Square. B. Pointed. C. Round. D. Oval. Answer is B. Pointed. Top coat helps prevent blank. A. Nail growth. B. Chipping. C. Nail disease. D. Dry skin. Answer is B. Chipping. A professional pedicure service should generally be performed. A. Weekly. B. Bi-monthly. C. None of the choices listed. D. Bi-weekly. Answer is C. None of the choices listed. Grasping the foot between the thumb and fingers at the mid-tarsal area during a pedicure with a firm grip is calming to the client, and A. May cause the client to fall asleep. B. Removes loose debris from the sole of the foot. C. It locks the foot into a rigid position. D. Causes the foot to become more flexible. Answer is C. It locks the foot into a rigid position. Before applying nail polish after a pedicure. A. Insert toe separators. B. Remove any trace of massage product or wax. C. Apply a base coat. D. All of the choices listed. Answer is D. All of the choices listed. A blank free edge is rounded off and only slightly extends past the fingertip. A. Pointed nail. B. Long nail. C. Square nail. D. Squoval nail. Answer is D. Squoval nail. Remove old polish. A. By stroking from the free edge to the lunula. B. By stroking toward the free edge. C. With an exfoliating scrub. D. With base coat. Answer is B. By stroking toward the free edge. Which of the following is true regarding a small nail rasp? A. It will only file the nail in one direction. B. It is used to trim the nail. C. It works best using long strokes with heavy pressure from front to back. D. It is used to probe the nail grooves. Answer is A. It will only file the nail in one direction. Nail professionals shouldn't A. Ask the client to make their payment before nail polish application. B. All of the choices listed. C. Nip or cut living skin. D. Use a cotton swab to apply nail oil. Answer is C. Nip or cut living skin.